Welcome back to another video of PHP course. Today we are going to talk about PHP constants. In previous videos we learned about PHP comment, syntax, variable, echo and print, data types, strings, numbers and PHP. In this video we will see what are constants and how to create a constant. So let's start with definition. Constants are like variables except that once they are defined they cannot be changed. A constant is an identifier for simple value. The value cannot be changed during the script. A valid constant name starts with this letter or a underscore. Remember that no dollar sign before constant name. Now we will see how to create a PHP constant. For this purpose we will simply use define function. And what is the syntax of creating a constant in PHP? In define function we have three parameters: name, value and case sensitive, insensitive. Let's have a look at the example of creating constant. Here we are going to create a constant with case sensitive, insensitive, name. Define function and its parameters. First parameter is name of constant, second value and third one is case sensitive or insensitive. Please remember this, that if case is not specified then its default value will be applied, which is false. Here name of constant is greeting and its value is welcome. As you can see, no case is specified, that means default value will be applied, which is false, so it will be case sensitive. Now if you use small letters for name of constant greeting, it will not print its value but itself. In this example we will simply change case to true, which means you can echo name of constant with small letters and it will print the value of a constant. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. If yes, please give a thumbs up to the video and also subscribe our channel. See you in next video.